If you have been looking to take the high-risk, tedious chore of cleaning multi-story or floor-to-ceiling glass entirely off your hands, you are going to want to stick around for this. Today, we are taking an in-depth look at the HUTT S55 Pro window cleaning robot. This is not your basic, street-prone manual window squeegee setup. This is an advanced, automated glass cleaning powerhouse engineered with 3D floating pads, ultra-strong suction, a precision HydroJet pump spray, and intelligent SLAM 4.0 navigation. Right out of the box, the first thing that catches your eye is its sleek, low-profile physical build designed to effortlessly mount onto standard glass, framed windows, sliding doors, mirrors, and even tiled walls. Setting it up is completely straightforward. You plug in the power components, secure the heavy-duty safety tether, snap on a fresh microfiber cleaning cloth from the generous 6-piece cloth bundle included, and place it on the surface. Now, let us talk about performance, because the mechanics here are top tier. The unit features a patented 3D floating chassis and pads that dynamically adjust to uneven surfaces, rippled glass, or slight grout lines without losing grip. Driven by an advanced HydroJet pump spray system, it atomizes water into a fine mist directly onto the glass ahead of the cleaning path, rapidly dissolving stubborn grime, dust, and water spots. Powered by a smart SLAM 4.0 navigation engine, the robot maps out its route systematically, navigating in optimized paths to ensure zero missed spots while intelligently recognizing frame boundaries and obstacles to keep itself securely anchored. It utilizes an immense up to 6,500 Pascal suction power with real-time air pressure compensation, ensuring absolute stability against gravity. Safety is paramount when working high off the ground, and the S55 Pro features a comprehensive multi-stage safety architecture, high-strength vacuum absorption, grips tightly to vertical surfaces with variable pressure muscle, uninterruptible power supply, UPS if your home suffers a sudden power outage. The built-in emergency backup battery kicks in immediately to maintain adhesion and sound an alert. Secure safety tether. A climbing-grade safety rope and buckle system provide absolute physical security for high-rise outdoor applications. Operating the unit is entirely effortless, featuring an 80 milliliters onboard water tank to handle large window panes without constant refilling. You can manage settings and switch cleaning modes seamlessly with total convenience. If you want to enjoy crystal clear, sparkling windows across your entire home without ever risking your safety on a ladder or wasting hours scrubbing by hand, the HUTT S55 Pro window cleaning robot is an absolute game changer. Click the link below for the best price.